Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I embarked on this journey in 2022, but life had other plans and I definitely had a lot of unexpected detours and challenges, but I persevered, and today the vision finally comes to life. Our guest bathroom will be transformed into a dark and moody oasis, so watch me as I clean and style this bathroom. Grab your snacks, settle in, and get ready for the final reveal. Hi guys, welcome to the final reveal. I'm so excited to finally get this bathroom done, and I know you guys who've been watching this series from start to finish are excited as I am. So let's get started with everything we have to do today, because we do have a full to-do list and I'm gonna get everything done. Now, it might take me 2 days to do this, but for you guys, you'll see it in all one video. And Milo wants to say hi. Say hi. Are you gonna be in every video? All right, so we're gonna get started and Milo is gonna help us today. Also, I wanna let you guys know, when you see me cleaning with these, I got these from Temu and they really do get into intricate places, and this definitely will help me with today's light switch cover because it's a little dirty in the inside. So we're gonna clean that out today. All right, let's get started.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning.
I think we are leaking down here somehow. I don't know. Our cleaning has come to a halt. I have to figure out what's going on with these pipes. It is leaking from up here, so I have to figure out what I need to do in order to seal that up. I thought I did a really soapy bath with the sink and it might have leaked down to the carpet because my foot was getting wet, but it was actually coming from out of here.
Love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love.
So I went to a specialty store that specializes in plumbing, and they told me that I could use this piece. They didn't have the flang piece that I needed, but they told me to use this. So we're gonna see if it stops the leaks. Oh, ew. Ew, ew, ew.
So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening.
I'm super proud of myself. I never done plumbing before, and it was pretty easy. I got a lot of advice from different people, and I just went for it. So if you don't know how to do something, just go for it. If you make a mistake, start over. Just do it.
So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. All of your love.
So we're almost at the finish line. I just have to do a few more tedious things, and that's to put up the frame. So I got some French cleats, and French cleats are really good for large canvases. It's also good for a more flush fit. I do have a helper today with his friend, and they're going to be assisting me, and they have a love-hate relationship. Oh, I guess you have a love-hate relationship with my finger too. And that's a wrap on our bathroom series. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey of transforming our guest bathroom into a dark and moody oasis. For our next project, I will be transforming this coat closet into a beautiful mudroom closet. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the bathroom transformation. Did you like it? Did you get inspired? Once again, a huge thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.